To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first, then together if needed. Before the statements, we need to know if we can determine the number of different prime factors of positive integer p. Let's consider statement 1 first. It's given that p squared has 4 different prime factors. Since p squared is equal to p times p, the prime factors of p are the same as the prime factors of p squared. And since we know the number of different prime factors of p squared, we know the number of different prime factors of p. So this statement alone is sufficient. We can actually eliminate some answer choices now. We're eliminating all the answer choices where statement 1 is not sufficient because those won't be the correct answer. So we can actually eliminate choice B, choice C, and choice E. That leaves us with either choice A or D. Now to figure out which one it's going to be, we'll need to consider statement 2 alone. And see if this statement alone will be sufficient or not. For statement 2, it's given that 2p has 5 different prime factors. This tells us that p can have 5 different prime factors, one of which is 2. It also tells us that p can have 4 different prime factors that don't include 2. So this statement alone is not sufficient, since we don't know whether 2 is counted as a prime factor of p or not. So we can rule this statement out. It's not sufficient, meaning that if we look at the answer choices left, since statement 2 is not sufficient alone, we can rule out answer choice D, and our final answer choice would be A.